Hi viewers, today we are going to solve the issue contained with most water. It is a very popular LeetCode issue and the difficulty level is medium, it is mentioned, but actually it is very simple issue. You can consider the difficulty level as easy. So the issue, when coming to the issue, so we are going to have some array of different heights, and we need to find out what is the maximum area of water that it can fill up. So here in this case, you can see the height 8 and 7 can hold major water. So even though we have 8 in the height, the distance between these two heights are very low, and due to which we can only save like 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 by 5, 40. That is the maximum level we can save. Okay, but the actual value is 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 7 is 49. That is the maximum area we can fill. So we need to find out maximum area, and here I want to follow two-point approach. So it is very popular one, and it is very optimized way also. So what is my way? So first I will try to explain my way by, by using the same example that is provided by LeetCode. So first, I'm going to have two iterators. One is at starting of the array, and one is at the ending of the array. So by time, like in first iteration, first I will check what is the distance between these two heights and what is the minimum value among these two. So let's say in these two values, the minimum is 1, and the distance between them is obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. 8 and minimum value. Why I'm considering minimum value is minimum value height can only hold the value, hold the water. Okay, sorry, so hold the water. So 1 into 7. I will just check the maximum height that is possible at this position, and in next iteration I will increase one time. I will increase I, and I will keep j at the same position, and another time I will keep I here, but I will move j to like I will just increase j. So by doing this until we are going to have the condition I j, that means the middle two values, the two pointers should be next to each other. So that is the condition that I'm going to do, and I will check the maximum possible area at the particular pointers. So that is my main logic. So I will just take the maximum value in one variable, and I will return it. So that is my approach. Now let's jump into the coding. The interesting part always, the coding is always the interesting part. So as I told, I'm going to have two pointers, that is the first one, and j equals to length, obviously length minus 1, because it is starting with 0. Yes, and the next one, I'm going to use this condition. So while I is less than j, so I should not cross, like I and j should not cross each other. If I becomes more than j, like we are going to have our logic is going to break. So that is our main logic. So I is less than j, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out the maximum area here. Okay, let's say where current area. Okay, I'm just going to find out the current area. So what is the formula for area? Area is nothing but width into height. I'm going to find out the width. Width is nothing but j minus I, and height. What is height? I told that max, like minimum of these two values, minimum of two heights is considered as uh, height. Okay, minimum of two pointers we can consider that as height. Okay, and so current area is nothing but width into height. Okay, and then next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, I need to store this area out of this loop. Why? Because we need to written the area at 10 and I want to store this in max. That is, I'm going to just take a max area, let's consider max area parameter or like a variable that we are going to show the max area. What is the condition for storing the max area? So the condition is we are going to check which one is the greater when comparing with the current area and max area. So so let's say I got current area as 10. I'm going to compare this to 10 and 0. And max area will be 10. Let's say we are going to have, in next floor, we are going to have max area as 5. In that case, max 5 comma, already max area is 10. So we are going to obviously max area will be 10 only. So whenever the existing max area is going to cross, like whatever the current area we are going to get, it is greater than the existing max area, then we are going to replace. Otherwise, we don't need to replace it. Okay, this is the simple logic. And on what condition I'm going to uh, increase or decrease value. So I told that uh, I'm going to increase I sometime and I'm going to decrease j some increase sorry decrease j sometimes. So how I'm going to do is if height I is somehow lesser than height j, then I'm going to increase I plus plus. So there is a possibility that in these two cases, in the first input we are having 1 and the last one we are having 7. So the only possibility way we are going to have max area is to move into another point so that we can find maximum height here. So yes, that is the condition. And else condition we are going to simply decrease j. So we are going to do this till the end of the loop, and at the end of the at the end of the program I'm just going to written max area. This is my simple logic. Okay, let's try to run the code. Sorry, we got some error. What is the error? Okay, the local parameter height cannot be chosen because it is already there. Okay, width and what we can say. Okay, height. Okay, it is not correct, but let's take it. Yes, yes, it is successful. Both cases are uh, solved without any error. Like let's run this, let's submit the solution. If it is going to work or not. Oh, it is actually taking longer time than expected. Okay, maybe it is dependent on the how many people are submitting the solution as well. Like, but actually it is a good solution. Let me try to submit it again to see the result. It's still the same. Let's try to optimize it more. So what is here we are doing. So the name of math, height of a and height of j, we are going to get height and I minus j. It's fine. Uh, Everything is fine. What we are doing is we should ignore, if you ignore when the height is 0, that condition can be applied. If height height of I is equals to 0, then we should ignore that condition and continue from it. And the same condition, if height of j is equals to 0, then we should consider we should decrease j. This can help a little bit, not very much, but my approach is this. We can even try to optimize it. We will try to look into that solution in our future sessions. Okay. Yes, at this position, it is taking longer time due to somehow the unknown reason, but this is my solution. It can really help. uh, in solving this issue. Thank you. Bye bye.